Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Sheets with AI formulas and automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Sheets website. Click on blank to create a new spreadsheet. Familiarize yourself with the Google Sheets interface. Locate the formula bar at the top of the sheet. To begin using AI formulas, start by typing an equals sign in a cell. This signals Google Sheets that you are about to enter a formula. Next, type the name of the function you want to use. For example, type sum to add a range of numbers. Follow this with an open parenthesis. Select the range of cells you want to include in the calculation. Then, close the parenthesis and press enter. You will see the result of your formula appear in the cell. To utilize AI features, click on Extensions in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Add-ons. Click on Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for AI-related add-ons like Google AI or Tableau. Choose an add-on that suits your needs and click Install. Once installed, return to the Extensions menu to find your add-on. Select it to activate its features within your spreadsheet. Explore the options provided by the AI add-on. You may find features for insights, predictions, or data analysis. To automate tasks, consider using the Macros feature. Click on Extensions, hover over Macros, and select Record Macro. Perform the actions you want to automate. After completing your actions, click Save and name your macro. You can now run this macro whenever needed. Experiment with different AI functions and automation tools. Using AI in Google Sheets will enhance your productivity. Stay curious and explore additional add-ons for improved functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.